Previously on Debonair Lifestyle ATL.
What's happening? What's up, man? It's your boy D Skirt from that Debonair Lifestyle ATL. And what we got here today. Now, woo! If you haven't been tuning in for the last couple videos, I'll be giving y'all my top 5 sneaker pickups of 2020. Now, number 5, that went crazy. Oh, snap, man. Number 5, we have the Reebok Question Mid Red Toe, the OG Allen Iverson. Number 4, that went stupid. Oh, there they go. That's my boys go. We have the number 4 out of my top 5 releases of 2020. We have the Air Jordan Retro 5, the Oregon 3. It was woo. I'm just saying that. It was that. Man. What do we have here? If you don't know, I'll tell you anyway. What we have here is the Air Max 90 OG Infrared. But number 2, the last 2, let me tell y'all something, man. I don't think y'all ready for it. I don't think y'all ready. But just stay tuned because we dropping in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's happening? What's up, everybody? This is your boy D, straight from Debonair Lifestyle ATL. You already saw the intro, so you know what's going down. The top 5 sneaker pickups of 2020. Man, it's going down. It's going digital, bro. Let me just, man, I'm getting ahead of myself right now. Let me just calm down. Calm down, D. But anyway, man, but before we dive into what I got, because y'all don't think y'all ready, let me do a little housekeeping things, man. You know, it's your first time tuning into the channel. You already know, man. If you like what you see, like, subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so you know anytime I drop a video. That way you ain't gotta keep asking, hey, bro, will you drop a video, dog? You already know, my dog. You know what I'm saying? Everybody tuned in, man. 2021. It's going up, man. I want y'all to be a part of it. So you be true to this, not new to this. But anyway, man, let's get straight to it, man. The number 2 sneaker pickup in my collection of 2020 is dropping down in 5 4. Hold on. Oh, what's happening, young hater?
What's happening? What's up, Mr. Fake Kicks?
Bro, what in the... Excuse my language, but what in the hell you got on, bro?
I got your stuff on. Mr. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gonna mess around and drown off my wave. Yeah, I got this out of Linux, buddy. I bought it out of Linux. You still shopping at Walmart, buddy.
Okay.
I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care. Cause young hater, I got all the paper. Now go ahead and show your little fake shoes. Meanwhile, I'm going to Saks Fifth and buy me some of that drip for that good $1,000. Oh, by the way, real quick, hey D, can you frame me some rent money real quick, bro? I ain't got it like that, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, Christmas time coming up, and I got a stunt, bro. Come on, man. Help me boy out, man. Help me boy out.
Hey, you finished or you done? Cause I'm done talking. You know that young hater, man. He trying to be a sneakerhead, but his pride is messed up. Like he just got here from New Orleans, man. He can't to Atlanta. He got his. Anyway, man, I want to talk his business, bro. But back to the video. All right, so number 2 is dropping in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is not what I had in mind, but nonetheless, it's still a clean shoe. We have the Air Jordan Retro 1, the Royal Toe. And as you can tell, oh, here we go. The number 2 shoe In my sneaker pickups of 2020, we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 Court Purple 2.0. So that 2 is all in the family, man. As you can tell, it has that purple color blocking going all the way through. The white toe box. I swapped it out with the lavender laces. Probably can't tell because it's light, man. Hey, fix the lights around here, man. Golly. Much better. We can see the shoe in the light. We have the Air Jordan Retro 1, the Court Purple 2.0, in which it has that Chicago color blocking, except it's obviously that purple, that Court Purple. And it did have black laces, but I swapped them out with the lavender laces that came with it. I feel like that lavender was definitely a dope touch, man. Woo! I should have kept black in it, honestly, but like I said, they'll be different. This shoe is its own shoe, its own right. You know what I'm saying? It's probably one of the dopest shoes of the year. And as a matter of fact, it's so dope, it made Kanye West wear it. Overall, man, this is my number 2 pickup of 2020, the Air Jordan Retro 1 Court Purple 2.0. Yes, sir, ski, man. So, I'm going to say this. If this is number 2, and the rest of the list is what it is, then you already know number 1 is about to be some fire. Hint, hint. It's about to be some fire. I'm just going to say that. I'm going to leave it alone. That being said, let's get it. Let's go.
Since been squads to man, back then I had a plan. Yeah. Remember I ain't had no fans, now I got fans in Japan. Yeah. What they gonna tell me now? I stand up as a man. Yeah. Did it all by myself.